Okay, I have to drive to a customer. Also, I'm full. Well, I'm almost full. So yeah, let's go to a customer. On the way, I'm going to show you how much power I get if I completely unplug the main lipos. And also, the last time I tried a time-lapse version, I've been sitting here and my shoulder was in a way. So I made another solid connection. And now I can put you right here. Wait, get in there. Like this. And this should be your new view for longer trips. My shoulder shouldn't be in the way. You are now sitting on my left shoulder and we can go for long trips. Let's see how this looks. So I just had a look at the recording. This looks nice. I'm going to keep it. I just have to make it a little bit more pretty because this looks garbage. Well, also I might have to either I modify this frame or I 3D print something where I can charge the camera when it's in there. I don't know. I have to think about it. So now I just have to find my customer. I mean, this trip you saw to get here is already €5. Now I just have to find the customer and see what works he needs me to do. But you won't see this. So let's find my customer and then go home. So I'm done with the customer. Nice guy. I now unhook the battery. So no more power from the lipos. And this will be a uncut drive back home. Go in there. So enjoy the trip. Ready? Let's go. There's the sun. And it works. God, I love this. I think I have to turn right. Whenever I pass a shadow, it just stops. Clear. And it's pulling again. And that's completely without any light. And it stops when I pass shadow. So yeah, so far, huge success, but I still have to do some work. I need a better mount for the camera. What more can you want? Okay, the road is over, so I switched back to control with the button. Okay, I actually have to go straight, but Let's turn right. And there's nothing in the shadows. It just won't, nothing happens. And I'm back out. Not enough. Getting exhausting. Nope. It's not strong enough. Uphill sucks. There it is. And the trees are screwing me over. And now it's getting exhausting. It's going uphill. And I hate uphill. Better. Yeah, okay, I don't want any more. I'm going to put on the main light post. Wrong side. That's the correct side. So yeah, it works. I can definitely ride without them. But wait. For your reference, the sun is already surprisingly low on the horizon. But yeah, this works. Oh, I did another short stop. Wait. And let's have a look at the charging setup. We get 110, 100. Where is it going down? Oh yeah, we get 90 down, 90 top, 100 down, 90 top. So we are charging with like 200 watts right now. Actually, can I increase this? If I angle my surface way more into the sun? 100 top, 100... Nah, it just dropped. $100 top, 16 down, 20 down, 30 down, 100 top. $70 down, 100 top, 90 down, 100 top, 100 down, 100 top. So right now it's like 200 watts. So if I drive for 10 minutes and I stay for 10 minutes, it should be full again. Really nice. I have to make something to hold them in this angle so I can charge late in the day too. But yeah, it works. So let's go home. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.